very fine that we had much before discussed with the topic of making of the constitution, in which our constitution makers, they played a very hectic role and a prominent role in drafting the constitution of the country. One thing to be clear over here is that if you go to the history of this making of the constitution, let me tell you that it was during the period of 1927 when India was under the colonial rule. From Britain, a commission had come to India under the guidance of Sir John Simon. That is why it is known as Simon Commission. Sir John Simon was sent to India in the year 1927 to look after the constitutional provisions of the country and to draft a new constitution and changes which were required at that time. Sir John Simon arrived at Mumbai at Gateway of India. The Indians, they boycotted सर जॉन सैमन और उनके मेंबर्स को बॉयकॉट किया इस नारेबाजी के अंतर्गत गो बैक सैमन दिस वाज द नारा which was used at that time. Why did the Indians protest that? The Indians protested that because Sir John Simon, who had come to India to draft the constitution and to bring about various reforms in the constitution, no Indian members were taken in that commission. It was only the English people who were taken in that. So there was unrest within the Indian people. The Indian peoples were unhappy. Yes, why? Because we were knowing that if the English people is going to draft the constitution of India and it is they who are not going to stay here, one day or the other we would be getting the independence. So it is they who would be drafting the constitution according to their own whims and reasons. अपने मन के अनुसार वो अपना जो है ड्राफ्ट करता, लेकिन हम लोगों की इच्छा था कि नहीं मेरे मेंबर्स भी होने चाहिए, but that was not incorporated. So Simon Commission, they started to prepare the constitution of India. But that did not prosper well. Finally, Gandhiji was called, and then first roundtable conference, second roundtable conference, third roundtable conference, Gandhiji was invited, in which Gandhiji disclaimed, उनकी पक्ष की बातों को नहीं माना और उनके फेवर की बात को नहीं मानते हुए फाइनली जो कुछ भी उन्होंने ड्राफ्ट किया, that was not acceptable by the Indians. Very on, soon after that, the English people, they came with the Government of India Act of 1935. Government of India Act of 1935. जरा बात को ध्यान से सुनिएगा कि आज जो भी संविधान हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं या देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारी बातें गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट ऑफ 1935 को लिया गया है हमारे संविधान में. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट ऑफ 1935 की कुछ अंश जो है हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिया गया है. Moreover, our constitution makers, they also took the help of some of the other constitutions of the world. From Germany also we took some of the things. From France we took some of the things. From Canada we took some of the things. Rule of law we have taken it from Mexico. Fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy. Somewhere or the other we have taken some of the things from other countries of the world. And so on, after great heaves and tussles, the forming of the drafting commission, the constituent assembly and so on, we finally made up the constitution of the country. As soon as we drafted the constitution, and before entering into the first preface, we will have to undergo with the preamble of the constitution. Today we are going to discuss with the preamble of the constitution. It's the main thing. Preamble, basically it is the preface in in a simple language, we will say it is the preface. If you touch the biology book, if you touch your physics book, if you touch any of the books relating to income tax or whatever the books you are going to study, in every page you will see there is a content written. Either the word content is there, either the word preface is there. It means what? It means the introductory part, that preamble or the preface. It means the introductory part of the Constitution. In that introductory part, the very first word of the preamble of the Constitution speaks, we the people of India. That means the power. Power is given to the people, the citizens who are residing there in the country. It is we, hum. We the people of India is the source of all power. That is why the word we the people is being given. Either in making the government or creating a new type of a government or bringing about any change within the government, everything goes on with the ishara of the people. Whatever the system, whatever the condition was prevailing 50 years back, and what we are witnessing at the present stage, we see that it's the people of India who has tried to bring about certain change. हम ही लोग डिमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं, हम ही लोग जो है सरकार के ध्यान को आकर्षित करते हैं, चाहे वो डिमोन्स्ट्रेशंस के तहत, चाहे प्रोटेस्ट के अंतर्गत, और ध्यान आकर्षित करते हैं सरकार का. What do we want? And the government has to see whether the demand is good for the entire people or not, and the government works according to that. It is we people who indirectly take part in the decision making, whatever decisions are being formulated in the country. It is we people who take part in that. So, moving on with the we the people, it means the Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representative and not handed down to them by a king or any other outside power. The Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people. Whatever is the Constitution, whatever, this Constitution has been drafted by we the people of India. That is, there were the members within the Constituent Assembly, there was the President, there were other members of the representatives who went and sat down together, and it took 2 years, 11 months and few days of a time to draft the Constitution. And that Constitution was drafted by the election of the people. And those people went and represented there and they enacted the Constitution. And very fine, the Constitution came into existence. That is why we can well say that we the people is the source of all power. It is we the people that who have enacted ourselves the Constitution such that we will be guided by that Constitution. It is we the people who have basically drafted the Constitution. And what is that Constitution? It is the bundle of laws and norms by which a country is governed. So, by that bundle, by that Constitution, which we all have prepared, I want myself to be guided by that. It is no any other king or a royal blood people who will come and guide us. No. I will be only guided by the Constitution. So that is the basic meaning of we the people of India. That is the basic meaning of we the people of India, which is the source of all power. Shut down.